Welcome to AI Everything. Today, we're cracking the code on RAG design patterns to build AI that actually works.
So why do so many RAG projects just flop? It's a super common problem, and the reason is surprisingly simple.
It almost always comes down to one thing: picking the wrong design pattern right at the beginning. It's that critical.
Choosing the right one is a constant balancing act. You're always juggling intelligence, speed, and of course, cost.
For example, a chatbot has to be super fast and cheap, but for a legal copilot, accuracy is everything.
All right, let's start at square one with naive RAG. Think of this as the simple, blunt instrument of the RAG world.
The process is incredibly straightforward. A question comes in, it hits a vector search, and boom, out comes an answer.
So we tested it. We asked a pretty simple question about a specific oven. And the results? Well,
Yeah, it completely failed. The search grabbed irrelevant junk for the wrong oven, so the LLM was totally lost.
This highlights the core problem. The model is only as good as the info it gets. Basically, garbage in, garbage out.
The solution? We have to get much smarter about retrieval. This is where query transformation comes into play.
We use techniques like breaking questions apart. This helps us find exactly what we're looking for, much more accurately.
Now, this took 30 seconds to run, so it's slower, but the answer? It was highly accurate, a massive improvement.
But what if the model could do all that complex thinking on its own? That's the huge leap to agentic RAG.
Instead of building a rigid workflow, you're basically giving an AI tools and a goal. You're hiring a smart assistant.
So for that oven query, the agent can try different searches and self-correct all on its own. No hand-holding needed.
Okay, but what happens when even one smart agent isn't enough for a really complex job? Things can get overwhelmed.
This leads us to the state-of-the-art multi-agent RAG. Think of it like hiring a whole team of specialists. Each agent gets a simple prompt and specialized tools. This makes the whole system more reliable and way more powerful.
So we've gone from a blunt instrument to a workflow to a smart assistant, and now to a team of experts. But remember that core trade-off. Each step up adds complexity and cost. The right pattern really depends on your use case.
So for your next project, ask this. Are you building a workflow or are you hiring an employee? That's the key. Thanks for watching.